Conis Atatu.
Tomega.
And in India, Catholic win leis an lind, mar leis an glór, agus just an cultúr Harvey as a bheor, crazy.
Tá méid tosnú an túras seo I iarthar an Ind. Ó Goa tá méid taisteal suas go dtí cathair Mumbai. Ó cathair Mumbai tá méid dul in Rajasthan. Tá 3 cathair cáiliúil I Rajasthan: Udaipur, Jodhpur agus Jaipur.
Agus tá lán móna taisteal, cosúla na busna, na tuk-tuks, ach go bhór na Traein. An slí is coitianta a taisteal san Ind náir Traein.
Responde, tell me about the train. Indian train is very slow.
India has the second largest train system in the world. It's a lifeline for the country.
Tá lán classes éagsúla ar na Traein anseo in India.
There is the unreserved class, which is the cheapest. Then there is the sleeper class, which is like you get a seat to sleep on, but there is no AC. Okay, so and then there is the third AC, there is the second AC, and there is the first AC.
The toilets are the amazing experience in train. So please carry your own tissue paper or a toilet paper.
If you just actually lick the wall of the toilet, you'll die.
It's even long
unend.
Bhí an bhleag seo faoi taisteal san Ind ach go háirithe ar na Traein. Tá méid fanacht do mo Traein déarnach go dtí eagra rinne leid seo. Na monkeys. Go dtí an céad uair eile, slán go fóill.